In this quick video, I'm going to be giving you a no-nonsense comparison and quick review on the blue SNOWBALL microphone and the blue YETI microphone. Two inexpensive choices for you, and you're probably going back and forth. If you're looking for an investment into a microphone and you're just getting started, these two are probably on a short list. At this very moment, you're listening to the blue YETI, and in this video, I'm going to switch back and forth so you can get an idea about which one sounds better for you. And in a lot of ways, we're really splitting hairs. There is a little bit of a price difference. The blue YETI here, a great option if you're wanting a little bit more crispy, deep sound that you're hearing here. And I'm just going to quickly switch over to the SNOWBALL so you can hear the difference. And now we're listening to the blue SNOWBALL here. This was one of the first microphones that I actually invested in at around 50 to 60 US dollars. It's a steal. It's going to be great for voiceovers, for streaming. Upgrading from your camera microphone is just going to be really good at capturing that extra little bit that's going to keep people staying and engaged in your videos. It's just a great option. Now, the blue YETI, however, which we'll switch to now, is a little bit more pricey. It comes in at around 125 to 150 US dollars, depending if it's on sale or not. And for me, I find that you get a little bit deeper, a little bit crispier sound out of it. And if you're just getting started again, you might be splitting hairs. And if you want to know if it's worth it to upgrade, that's going to be totally up to you. There is a nano version of this, and it's a little bit smaller. The sound quality is probably 90–95% of the blue YETI. So you might be kind of going back, and you're splitting hairs there as well. So in this video, I just wanted to keep it really simple, show you some real world comparison between here, the blue YETI, and in this case, the blue SNOWBALL. So again, this is going to be 2 to 3 times more expensive. Is it worth the upgrade? You're going to have to be the judge. Now, I do have a pop filter here, and I wanted to throw that to show you guys the differences if you can hear any at all. This is a pop filter now in front of our blue SNOWBALL, just to kind of give you the differences. And what this is going to do is going to take that pop noise away, and it can be a little bit annoying. So if you don't have one of these and you do a lot of voiceovers, I recommend you picking up a pop filter. But in this case, it's just to show you the differences once again. And I'm going to switch over to our blue YETI again. And here's what our blue YETI sounds like with the pop filter. And I don't know if you can see any difference, but just for you guys, for basically to get an idea about what you're going to be doing in different situations. This is just to show you the differences once again, so you can see if it's worth it to justify paying that extra little bit for this blue YETI. So there's the differences, guys. I wanted to keep this really short and sweet, and let's touch on quickly the difference in build. Now, the blue YETI, of course, is more expensive, so you can expect a bit more better build quality. It does have some features that the blue SNOWBALL doesn't have. It has a volume knob right on the front. It's got a mute button, which is really handy. It's also got a gain adjustment, and you can actually change how the microphone itself performs. So the overall build quality of the blue YETI is quite a lot better, I have to say. It's not quite an entry-level microphone. This is a $50 microphone. And let's go back to it so you can hear the difference again. The SNOWBALL is a plug-and-play microphone. You can mount it on here, or you've got this little stand that it does come with. They both come with stands. Again, the blue YETI is a lot more substantial, a lot more professional looking, but there's nothing wrong with the blue SNOWBALL. It's a great microphone for the price, and if you're just getting started counting every penny, I could totally recommend this microphone to you, as I used it for years with no issues. And once again, I'm going to switch back to the YETI. And the YETI, again, for me, just has a little bit more crispiness, a little bit more depth, maybe some better mid-tones. And it was just a nice little upgrade for me. I got it on sale, and I have absolutely no regrets. So once again, guys, I wanted to do this quick video for you, just showing you a couple of the differences. The build, again, it's a microphone. The build doesn't matter a huge amount, so it's just going to come down to the audio differences. Is the difference in price enough to justify the difference that you hear when I speak into these two microphones? Hopefully this video was enough to convince you either way. And again, back to the blue YETI. Either way, guys, you cannot really lose with either of these microphones. I recommend them both to you, and it really comes down to your budget. If this video helped you out, guys, if you enjoyed it, I want you to hit that like and subscribe button, join the community, and if you have any questions or comments, make sure you drop them down below. Like always, make mistakes, be yourself, and get out there and take some more pictures. See you next time.